Rolling in the dough, understanding an English idiom. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a flavorful idiom of the English language, roll in the dough. This phrase is a tasty part of English expressions, and understanding it can add richness to your language skills. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Roll in the dough is an idiom that means to have a lot of money, to be very wealthy. It's often used to describe someone who has suddenly or recently acquired a lot of money. Interestingly, the phrase does not literally involve rolling or dough. In English, dough is a slang term for money. The idea of rolling in it implies having so much that one could literally roll around in piles of it, much like rolling in a bed of money. This idiom has a culinary origin. Dough, in its literal sense, refers to the mixture of flour and water used for baking bread or pastry. Over time, dough became slang for money, possibly due to its fundamental role in business and survival, much like flour in baking. The phrase, roll in the dough, emerged as a playful way to describe abundant wealth, using the imagery of excess and luxury. When using this phrase, it's important to consider the context. It's often used in a light-hearted or humorous way. For example, after winning the lottery, he's rolling in the dough. She invented a popular app and now she's rolling in the dough. Remember, it's not typically used in formal contexts but rather in casual conversations, often to express admiration or even a bit of envy towards someone's financial success. There are other expressions with similar meanings. For instance, loaded, another informal way to say someone is very rich. Made of money suggests that someone has so much money. It's as if they are made out of it. These variations can be used interchangeably depending on the situation and the tone you want to convey. Understanding idioms like roll in the dough enriches your English vocabulary and helps you appreciate the cultural nuances of the language. It's a fun and expressive way to talk about wealth and success. We hope this video has added some extra flavor to your English learning journey. Keep exploring, and you'll soon be rolling in linguistic insights.